Hi friends, we'll solve problems on projectile motion. What is given in problem? A shot is fired from a gun on the top of a tower 125 meter high with a velocity of 240 meters per second. That means initial velocity of projection is given 240 meters per second. From where it is projected, from the top of a tower where height is 125 meters. At an elevation of 30 degree, what it represents, the inclination of velocity with horizontal is 30 degrees. Find the horizontal distance from the vertical line through the gun to the point where shot strikes the ground. You have to find out some horizontal distance, you can say from the point of projection, that means from where shot is fired and where that shot strikes the ground. This horizontal distance we have to find out. If we draw simple figure, from that one will get idea ki what values are given or y is negative or positive, that is very important, which one gets clear from figure. Just see here, if we try to draw figure, from the top of a tower 125 meter high, a projectile or a shot is fired. That means just a rough sketch if we will represent here, say this one is a tower, some hill you can say, then this is the ground. Once will represent it. Now from where this shot is fired, it is fired from the top of a tower. As it is fired from the top of a tower, this is the location, say this point is origin. I will draw here one horizontal line. Now velocity is 240 meters per second and it is inclined at what angle? 30 degrees. That means if I will represent, say this is nothing but u0 and this angle is what? Theta 0, and then this shot, once it is fired, this one strikes the ground. That means final position is what? Say point A. Now if we will analyze motion from O to A, this vertical distance is given. As this vertical distance is given, if I will represent here, that height of this tower is given. It is how much? 125 meters. 125 meter high. 125 meters. Now theta 0 angle is given as 30 degrees. With what velocity projectile is projected is given 240, that means u0 is 240 meters per second. And what is asked in problem? A horizontal distance travelled from the point of projection, that means this is the location, up to point A, that means this horizontal distance, say x, you have to find out. What is given in problem? u0, theta 0, y and x you have to find out. When data given in any problem of projectile motion is in terms of x, y, u0 and theta 0, out of these four terms, if 3 are given and 1 is unknown, we will use equation of path, so that in one step we will get solution of problem. Otherwise, applying equations of motions also solution is possible. But once such data is given, in one step we will get solution, therefore we will prefer equation of path or equation of trajectory. Now if we will write equation of trajectory, what is given, that one will substitute. What data is known is u0 equal to 240 meters per second. Next theta 0 is given, that is nothing but 30 degree. Y is also given and x we have to find out. But y, what height of tower is given is 125 meters. Whether we will substitute it with positive sign or negative sign depends on what? Final position and initial position. In this case, final position of projectile is below the point of projection, therefore y is negative. That means y, when we will substitute, is minus with negative sign 125 meters. That means here y is minus 125 meters. Equation of path is y equal to tan theta 0x minus gx square upon 2 u0 square cos square theta 0. Simply if we will substitute your values, unknown term is what? X, easily solution is possible. Now if we will substitute y here, y is minus 125 meters equal to tan theta 0x, theta 0 is 30, That means I will substitute here tan of this theta 0 is 30, x distance is unknown, we will keep as it is, minus, in numerator g is 9.81, then x unknown, x square, 2 into, this one is what u0, we will substitute here as 240, u0 square 240 square into, substituting value of y as minus 125 meters, angle theta as 30 degree, we will find out value of x. Only one term is unknown in the equation. In terms of x, we are getting quadratic equation. So, we will take this term on left side, term of x also on left side, and if we multiply here by this denominator and dividing through it by 9.81, this term comes out to be x square. Now, multiplying by denominator throughout and dividing through it by this numerator 9.81, what will get here? X square. This term if we take on left side becomes positive, so plus x square. Now, if we take this term on left side, it becomes what? Negative, and this one comes out to be 5081.83x, and this term already on left side, therefore this one is again negative. What will get here? 1101.32 into 10 raised to 3 equal to 0. As this term is negative, it remains as it is. Now, solving this equation using calculator, that means substituting value of x as 1, a as 1, b minus 5081.83 and c as minus 1101.32 into 10 raised to 3. What answer we will get here? Value of x comes out to be 5291.8 meters. That means where this shot which is fired, that one strikes the ground at what distance from the point of projection? This is answer. One more answer is possible, as quadratic equation is there, you will get two answers. Other value of x what you will get is negative. Negative answer is not valid because projectile moves on right side. When it moves on right side, x is positive. Therefore, in leftward direction motion is not possible. Therefore, negative answer is not valid. Okay, thank you.